kind of funny to think you can create something from plywood, fiberglass, styrofoam using a jigsaw, sander, and drill. So this is my Fireboss AT-802 wildland fireplane, single seat, working on a two-seater next. But you can see this is looking really well, like amazing actually. Completely electric with amplified sound system, flashing LEDs, and all the goods. Kind of digging it. Kind of impressed with my fenders I made that cover the area where the wheelchair motors go. Now it's completely